Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to join a webinar or a Zoom meeting on a smartphone. So I have an iPhone and I have an Android phone here, and first thing we want to do is go to our email. So on the iPhone we'll click Mail, and on the Droid we're going to click Email. I'm going to go to this email at the top here, and on the Droid. So see this solarcity.zoom.us with some numbers at the end? The numbers are our meeting ID. We're going to click on this link on the iPhone. And on the Droid, we're going to click on that link too. So the iPhone says that I couldn't open it, but look what it did. It took me straight to the App Store. And for both the iPhone and the Android, I wanted to show you that because if you don't have Zoom installed on your smartphone, it will take you to the App Store. So on the iPhone, we're going to click this cloud here to start downloading. We're going to look over at the Android and click Download from Google Play, and pulls me over to Google Play. I can hit Install, and I can hit Accept, and we start downloading. So you want to join on your smartphone with the Zoom app, especially if you have Wi-Fi connected with your smartphone or 2 or more bars of signal. It's just a really great experience because you get to see the shared content in that webinar or in that meeting, and you get better audio quality. So looking over at the iPhone, we have it downloaded. We're going to go back to the home. I'm going to press the home button, and we're going to go back to Mail, because now when we click the link, our phone will know what to do with clicking the link. So if I click it, it's going to open up Zoom. So there we go. And on the Android, I'm going to click that link too. So it can get started. Open with Zoom, and always do that. And hit OK. So we're going to look back over at the iPhone, and we're going to join using our name as iPhone. Hit continue. So here we go. You made it. Awesome. And here's some options that pop up. Call using internet audio, dial in, or call my phone. We want to use internet audio because that's the best experience. And I'm going to turn my phone sideways so you can see that. There we go. So now if we want to, here on that, if we want to hold, so say the audio is playing through our phone on speakerphone, we can actually change that to hold it up to your ear. So by tapping the screen and hitting this blue icon with the speaker, it goes clear or gray. It will play the audio like a normal phone call, so you can actually hold it up to your ear. If we want to turn it back to speakerphone, we just press that, and there we go. It's speakerphone again. So on the Droid, it's virtually the same. We're just going to enter Droid as our name, and we're going to hit OK, and we're joining, and we're going to call in via device audio at the top here. There we go. Turn it sideways, and if we click this speaker by tapping the screen, an ear pops up, which means that we can hold it to our ear. By clicking the ear again, it goes back over to the speaker, and we can listen to it via speakerphone. So now you know how to join a webinar or a Zoom meeting on your smartphone.